Boost your video mojo and stand out today. If you have been on social media for just a little bit, you probably already know that video marketing, short form videos, long form videos is the best way to connect with your audience. It's the best way to be seen, to captivate, to attract an audience, to get to know, like, and trust you. And so I want to share today with you some ways to overcome if fear is stopping you from creating video because we know it's so effective. But why are we not doing it? And sometimes I know for me, when I started out, I was terrified to get on video at all. Live video was not even an option. I had a 2-minute video that I was trying to create for a funnel. I will tell you right now, I was so afraid and I was sweating and couldn't talk. I couldn't breathe. And so to get through all that, I finally made the video, but it took me 1,002 takes. I counted. So I'm going to share with you some tips on how to overcome the fear. And then we're going to cover a little bit how to captivate with your videos to get people to stop that scroll. And I have a slide deck that I'm going to share with you today. All right, there we go. Make sure everything's showing up okay. It is. Yay. All right. So we've talked about that, boosting your mojo, but what is video marketing? Video marketing for social media refers to the creation and sharing of video content on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and others to engage followers, increase brand visibility, and drive specific users' actions or conversions. Basically, it is one of the best ways to get that know, like, and trust, to grow your audience of new people, attract those new people not already in your world, to engage with people, get them to see you, to see your personality, the way you move, your body language, and then also to drive that conversion. That is one of the reasons we're online marketing, why we're in the business. What will you reel in today? We're going to talk about the 555 method of confidence formula. We're going to talk about how to start a video that captivates, and how to answer objections before they get tangled up in the mind of your audience. And that is going to be the secret sauce. So stay tuned. What makes videos so scary? Fear of judgment. One of the biggest. In fact, fear of judgment, if you look at this list, could cover most of these. The fear of looking nervous. You're worried about being judged. Fear of criticism. What if there's a hater? What if someone criticizes you? I remember one of the biggest fears was, what if someone hated on me? What would I do? And maybe the fear of forgetting what to say, fear of technical issues, not knowing what steps to do. And you're in that middle of that video, whether it's live or recording, and you're trying to get it done and everything's not working for you. And then you have the fear of the unexpected. What could happen when you're not prepared? And all of that can wrap up into fear of judgment, fear of being vulnerable. But people love our vulnerability. If you mess up a little, if I'm stumbling a little bit over my words, people relate to that. We're not perfect. Nobody is. I know I'm not. I have a good feeling you're not. And guess what? Nobody's perfect. So don't, we're going to wrap that right out. So Mark Herbert is a video marketing expert, and he shared this 555 step. This is genius. And so I want to share this with you because one of the ways to get over a fear, especially with video marketing, and you probably heard it, is just do it. Just do it. Just get on live and do it. Well, when you're going live and you have that fear, I know I can testify, you just won't go live because the fear is so strong. And so here is a strategy that will actually get you through and over that hurdle. So I want you to take your phone, and this is about preparing and practicing. So you want to prepare your video. It can be short. It can be a 30-second video. It can be a 60-second. But I'd like you to prepare about 5 videos. Now, bear in mind, it doesn't have to be perfect. I just want you to have something to say, a script, so you feel more confident. So practice a little bit, and then I want you to record them on your phone. Now, what I want you to do here is record them, but no one gets to see them. That's you. Or if you're like, I don't even want to see myself, that was me, then don't show anybody. But record 5 videos on your phone. You can delete them when you're done. It doesn't matter. We're not worried about the quality. We're not even going to judge them, right? No judgment. Okay. And then you're going to open up a private Facebook group. No one has to be in it but you. Just going to be with you. And you don't even have to make it fancy. You're just going to put 5 videos, new videos. You're going to record five more, not the same. And you're going to put them into that Facebook group. That's going to help you with the tech, right? Downloading, figuring out how all that works. And then after those 10 videos, you're going to go live 5 times with a different topic, hopefully. And if you feel brave, invite someone that you trust to watch. It needs to be someone that's not going to be overly critical, someone that when they do give you advice or constructive suggestions, you're going to take them seriously. All right. So this is a great exercise. And I'm pretty darn certain that if you go through this, you will enjoy a little bit of that hurdle's been overcome. And then from there, I'm not going to say you're going to be automatically after these 15, be ready to go live. You might, but it's going to get you that step closer than you were before. And if you continue to do this, continue and continue, eventually you're going to be able to push that live button or make those short videos that you've been delaying. All right. So the goal with the video, whether it's long or short, is to grab the attention of your audience, right? Your video, when they're scrolling, when they see a video, and if you don't grab them quick, then you're going to lose them. And so we're going to talk about the hook. Now, you may say, okay, I know about the hook. I've heard about the hook. Stay with me because there's something that comes after the hook that is absolutely critical and will be a game changer for you. So, in the first few seconds, you need to have something very engaging, something that speaks immediately to your audience and that's going to stop them from scrolling. And so, I want to give you some examples, and you're able to take these and copy them and paste them into AI. So, what that you're going to do here is basically fill in the blank. You're going to discover the secret to, and this can be a dream result, turn your pain or problem into a dream solution. What if you could and fill in the blank? What was the result without something they don't want? All right. So this is what it would look like. Discover the secret to glowing skin. Turn your fears into fuel. What if you could increase traffic without paid ads? Right? Something they want without something they don't want. Now, this is the secret sauce. This is where a lot of times people miss this. It's called setting the hook. If you think about fishing, it's that you're casting your line out, the fish is hooked. If you don't know about fishing, this is what happens. You got to pop that line to set the hook. Otherwise, the fish can get away. And so, what we're going to do is we're going to throw out that hook to our audience. And if they listen, if they stop that scroll, we want to set the hook so they don't leave. This is how you do that. So, for example, discover the secret to glowing skin. What is the objection that would immediately come up if you're selling probably skincare? What would be an objection that would come up, maybe in your mind or what you would perceive your audience to come up with? And so it may be, oh my God, I've tried everything. So you answer that. You objection right away. You say, even if you've tried everything, right? So that is answering the objection. What if you could unlock the power of mindful eating without dieting? And if you're setting the hook, you might think, oh my God, I've tried every diet. If I can not diet, wow, wouldn't that be nice? What's this mindful eating? Like there's a bunch of different things coming up in a person's mind. And the good thing is it probably this type of hook creates a little curiosity. So what you would say is, what if you could unlock the power of mindful eating without dieting and forget those diets you've tried? This is different. And it's the tone and how you deliver it all makes an impact. So I want to thank you. I hope this was helpful. Give me a like and subscribe if this was something that, oh my gosh, this was helpful and I want more of it. In the meantime, I will see you next time. And I hope you have a fabulous rest of your week.